my name is Christy Bills, and I'm the Invertebrates Collections Manager here at the Natural History Museum of Utah. And we are right outside our front doors on the exciting Bonneville Shoreline Trail. And spring is my favorite time to be out here. There's lots of exciting things to look for. One of my favorite things to look at on the Shoreline Trail is galls. Galls are super interesting, and we're going to take a look at some of my favorites. Right beside me is a rose plant, a wild rose plant. They're native to North America, and the rose plant that we see here on the Shoreline Trail gets a very interesting gall, sometimes called a robin's pincushion, but officially called the mossy rose gall. And it's a swelling caused by a fly, a very minute fly that lays an egg or multiple eggs on the tissue of the rose and causes it to swell. Now, galls are common on many types of plants: oak, willow, rose, sage, and it causes the plant to make a swelling that acts as both protection and food for the larva of an insect so that it can feed and be protected from parasites. We see soft, spongy ones, sometimes hard ones, sometimes cone ones, but one of the funnest ones is the mossy rose gall. One interesting thing is it doesn't harm the plants, so if you see galls and you're worried about the tree being sick or the shrub being sick, actually doesn't cause a problem. It's only a benefit to the insects. There are about 13,000 species of insects that cause galls throughout the world. Most of them are tiny wasps. Some of them are flies, also again very tiny flies and not the ones you would see in your home. Some of them are mites, a relative of spiders, but very tiny. And they are known from paleontology work back to 300 million years. So gall making, it's been going on for a long time. It's really fun to find galls on plants. A good way is just to look at the whole plant and see if there's an unusual thing in one part of the plant as opposed to a growth that's throughout the entire plant. If you see one of those unusual things and you'd like to learn more about it, or if you'd like to help researchers who are interested in studying galls or gall-making insects, you can take a photo and put it on the app iNaturalist. iNaturalist is a really fun way to interact with nature and find out more about the things around you. You can take a picture of the entire plant and the picture of the gall, and researchers can help you identify what kind of insects made it and what the name of the gall is. It helps researchers know what insects are making galls in your area. So as much as you can take pictures of plants, insects, other animals, you can also take pictures of galls for iNaturalist, and it's very helpful.